I have been suffering for something I am innocent of. This is wickedness.
I loved you so much, I couldn't let you go.
You know what? I'm not cut out for all this family drama. Wait. The second test we did, that means you also went to meet the doctor.
Dr. Phillips, I'll be coming to your hospital today to run some tests, some fertility tests. Now I need your help. When the result comes out, whether or not it is good, I want you to say it is good. Give me a good result. That's the favor I need from you.
I don't understand. Are you asking me to manipulate the results?
Yes.
Sorry, I can't do that.
Dr. Felix, everything in life has a price. Just name your price.
Hey! Uzoma. Uzoma. So, all this while, you have been the cause of your predicament. And I was busy maltreating an innocent girl. Uzoma.
It was all from a place of
Don't you say the word love because you do not even know what it means. How can you say you love me yet you punished me, you enslaved me, you treated me with so much wickedness? You mean you are the devil yourself?
Grace, I swear to you, I love you with all my heart, but I don't know what came over me. Something took over my entire life. I can't explain why I acted the way I did. I can't explain why I did all of that to you. That's not me.
You're a liar.
It looks like I was under a spell.
As of that, I caused it. Yes.
You caused what?
I did something.
You did something. What did you do, Mama? Mama, what did you do?
It was when children were not forthcoming.
Okay.
Mama, I know you're very hungry. I'm so sorry. Let me put in more speed. Food will soon be ready. Oh.
You think that is what is bothering me now?
What is bothering you, Mama?
My daughter, what is happening?
I don't understand.
You've been married to my son for some years now. Yet there is no cry of a baby in this house. Children should be running around everywhere. Is it that the blade is not sharp? Or the barber does not know how to barb? Which one is the problem?
Mama, please. There's no barber in this kitchen, okay? This is not a barber shop. Stop stressing my wife. I've told you, children will come at the right time, at God's time. Okay? Please. Okay? All I have to do is show my wife love. Encourage her. That's all I have to do.
Mama, do not worry. I'll give you a grandchild. I'll give you grandchildren even. Lots of grandchildren. I promise you.
It's okay. Alright. We'll be fine. Okay. Mama, why are you staring at me like that?
If there's any problem, if you should tell me.
Mama, there's no problem. There's no problem. It's okay, babe. Don't mind that, alright?
God.
It's alright. Okay. It's okay. Alright, nice.
I'm hungry. They are just less concerned. And it's been years now that my son got married. No child. Not even miscarriage. What do I call this one? The annoying part of it is that my son that is supposed to react, to be worried, or do something, is busy doing, I love my wife. When it's God's time, God will remember us. They will have children. I need to act from the look of things. Things has to be done. I'm sure she has bewitched my son.
Mama?
My son,
Mama?
are you going out?
Yes, I didn't know you were here.
Yes.
I am taking my wife out. I want to take her to a few places so we can have some fun.
Oh,
Yes.
Really?
Mm.
But this fun you want to go and have with your wife would have been sweeter if you both were going with your children.
Oh. Mama.
The fun would have been better. It would have been more fun.
Mama, are we still on this? Are we still having this conversation? I thought we were done talking about it. Huh?
There's something I would like to discuss with you when you come back. Yes.
Okay.
Meanwhile, Ben, let me remove something from your hair.
Okay.
I am ready.
Ready? Alright. Let's go.
Are you okay?
I just have a slight headache.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine. Mama, you wanted to talk to me about something, right?
Yes.
Now? I thought we were going out.
You said?
I said, I thought we were going out. Do you have to have the conversation we had now?
Sorry, are you talking to me or you're talking to my mother?
I am just telling you that we're on our way out.
Grace, that's very disrespectful. How dare you? No, seriously. Like, are you saying I can't talk to my mother anytime I want to talk to her?
No.
Or she can't talk to me anytime she wants to talk to me?
No, that's not what I'm saying.
So what are you saying?
What I'm saying is that we're on our way out. Then when we get
And so
back,
freaking what? This is my mother and she said she wants to talk to me. What business of yours is it?
Baby, you're raising your voice.
I'm raising my voice? Is that what you're saying? Were you not raised well? What the hell is wrong with you? Listen, I can't see your mother and ask stupid questions like that. So you don't want my mother to talk to me?
No.
You don't want my mother to talk to me. You're stopping my mother from talking to me.
It's fine, you can...
You know what? I changed my mind. Mama? You know what? I'm done. Listen, I said I'm done.
You can go and come.
Mama, no. I changed my mind. Okay? You're very stupid. You're senseless.
I'm senseless.
What's up, man?
Mama.
I thought she charmed you. That's why you are not bothered about your childlessness.
Mama, what the hell are you saying?
I cannot breathe. I need to go out. Excuse me.
Mama.
Uzoma, if you dare touch me, do not! Don't you! Don't you dare come close to me! Don't touch me because I will not be responsible for what I will do to you. Just move away. Excuse me! Don't touch me!
Please, breathe. Please breathe.
Can we start again?
Uzo!
Can we start all over again, please? Please.
Excuse me!
Wait.
Hey,
Grace.
Uzoma!
Please.
Uzoma,
Please.
if you do not let me go, I promise you, I will kill you and I will kill myself. Let go of me! I'd rather die that thing.
Depends the much I can bear this any longer. Oh God, please come to my rescue. Depends the much I can bear this anymore.
Hello? Where are you, please? Okay.
Oh, I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I can't believe I'm going through this. I can't believe. Oh, I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I can't believe I'm going through this.
You're happy, aren't you? You see what you have caused? I was a happy man. I was happily married to Grace before you came and destroyed something beautiful. I told you, God's time is the best. But your impatience destroyed what I had with Grace. Aren't you happy?
will you shut that thing you come out up before I shut it for you? How dare you blame your stupidity on me in the name of love? Huh? If you had listened to Dr. Paul, what happened today wouldn't have happened. Eh? Your love. Nonsense.
Mama, you know nothing about love. If you do, you wouldn't sit down here to defend yourself.
You see, children of these days, you people don't even understand what love is all about. But you're busy thinking, I love you, without knowing the meaning of it. Love is letting go when it's no longer convenient, or when something or someone will get hurt in the process. Uzoma, you know you did not marry Grace out of love. You married her because of the help she rendered to you. Yes. So, my son, man up and face the reality. It's staring in your face. Let me go give him 9. Yes, I did what I did because you were not paying attention concerning you not having children. Do you expect me to sit, fold my hands and watch you live childless? Live all your life childless? Mban.
I want to be left alone. Shut the door on your way out.
I should shut the door. Me, in my son's house. Nobody will chase me away from my son's house. Nobody. I'm in my son's house.
Depends on much I can't bear this any longer. Oh God, please come to my rescue. Depends on much I can't bear this anymore. Oh, I'm in pain. Oh, I'm in pain. I can't believe I'm going through this. I can't believe. Oh, I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I can't believe I'm going through this. Oh, I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I can't believe I'm going through this. I can't believe.
Babe. Babe, where? You didn't tell me you'll be leaving today.
Jumpo, please, can you let me pass? Please. Can you
Wait,
just let me go?
Sweetie, I know I am wrong. What I did was wrong. Look, I am not proud of it. I messed up big time. Please, can we sit and talk about it, please? Please.
No, just give me a reason why I should sit and listen to you.
Because I was wrong. What I did is condemnable. I am not proud of it. Sweetheart, I can't afford to lose a beautiful-hearted, virtuous woman like you. Honey, you stood up for what is right, not minding who is involved. And that makes you special. Please, listen to me.
Fine. I'm listening to you. Can you just, do you want to injure me?
Sweetheart. Honey, I'm sorry. All I want to say is that I am sorry. You need to forgive me. Please. Let's start afresh. Let's build this relationship with honesty, transparency, trust, and sincerity. Please. Look, I promise I will never, ever in my life engage in such acts again. It's a promise. Please, darling. I'm sorry.
Honestly, Paul, I am not against what you did for your friend. I mean, he's your friend. your best friend. Anyone will want to do something to please their friend. But that is not the right thing to do. We should learn to do things because it is right. We shouldn't do things because we want to please somebody else, not minding who is involved. We are supposed to do things justly.
Sweetie,
Pleasing your friend and making someone else feel hurt is wrong.
I know.
I mean, you might decide to please your friend and at the end of the day, you will land yourself and your friend into trouble. It doesn't make sense.
I know. I think I've learned my lessons. And I'm deeply sorry. Sweetheart, I'm proud of you. I am so proud of you for standing up for the truth. For doing what I was finding very difficult to do.
Oh, you.
Grace.
You did this to me, Paul, you!
Grace, calm down. Please. Look, I know you were offended. You are hurt. Grace, you have every right to be mad at me. I betrayed your trust. Yes, I am sorry.
You know, you just made me understand the adage that says, when a man is looking for something for you, and he has that thing with him, you will never find it. Paul, I took you as my big brother. I love you so much. I come crying to you, bearing my heart to you, and you keep consoling me, telling me things will be fine, and you knew in your heart that it will never be fine. Why?
I am sorry, Grace. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do right now. I am deeply sorry. Please.
You know what? I only came here to see your face and tell you to your face that you should expect my revenge. Thank you, Evelyn. Excuse me.
Please.
John. Just let her go. I'll talk to her myself.
I want to start by saying a very big thank you to my friend here, Evelyn. You are more than a sister, for supporting me and helping me. Else I would have still been here suffering for something I am innocent of. Thank you so much, Evelyn. Mama.
Yes, my daughter.
Uzo. Mr. Paul. From the depth of my heart, I have truly forgiven you all.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. But this marriage will no longer continue. Yes. Uzoma, you are free to marry any woman of your choice, okay? I have moved on with my life. That is all I have come to say. Some distance! Uzoma.
Grace, please. I'm sorry for everything.
Don't touch me.
Please,
I have not come here to speak for so long, alright? I am done here.
Please.
Excuse me.
You'll be fine. Okay?
choice. Tell me, what is next for you? I mean, where are you headed?
To a place where I will heal completely.
Sweetheart, I really do understand you. Believe me. But please, I do not want you to give up on relationship or marriage. I mean, look at you. You're so full of life. You're energetic. I don't want you to keep sulking or wallowing in your past marriage that did not work. I want you to pick up the remains of yourself and do something profitable with it. My love, you have to let go. Let go so you can heal completely.
You are indeed a friend and a sister, and I love you so much. Thank you.
Love you so much too.
You're gonna make me cry. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, again, my wedding is around the corner. Please do not be absent. Don't forget.
I will be there.
I trust you. Okay.
I love you, Mrs. Evelyn Chukwemeka.
And I love you too, Mr. John Paul Chukwemeka, my darling husband.
I mean, I love you with everything in me. My queen. The only queen I've crowned right in my heart. Come here. Also, after a series of tests on you, I am sorry you will not be able to get a woman pregnant anymore. Yes, because of the medications you've been taking. It has damaged your reproductive organs. So, you will not be able to get a woman pregnant. It's not actually the end of the world. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hello? Mama, listen, I'm not in the mood right now, okay?
Good afternoon, sir. This is not your mother. It's a passerby that picked up her phone.
Sorry, you said what?
She was involved in a motor accident.
Jesus! Who?
She died.
What?
I'm so sorry, sir. You need to come to St. John's Hospital to identify her body.
Hello? Mama, why leave me now? Oh my God! Did someone miss me?
My love,
How are you?
my king, my lord. Thank you for always being here.
Thank you, my queen.
Did you feel that?
Ooh.
Oh, my God.
Someone's calling.
That's my sister. Hello, my sister from another mother.
Oh, Grace baby, I'm fine. I'm doing very well.
Oh, the children are fine. Yes, he's fine too.
I'm here. I'm fine.
How is your husband?
Yeah, good.
Oh, that is great. Well, I called you earlier to invite you for my baby shower that is coming up this weekend.
Baby shower. Hey, this is the fourth one, oh. Madam, you need to take it easy, oh. Calm down. The economy of this country, hey, is something else.
Let me just tell you, this is baby number 4. I'm still going to have another one to be baby number 5.
Maybe 6. Maybe 6.
Did you hear him?
I will let my husband know, and definitely I must come for the baby shower.
Alright.
And please say me well to your husband.
Sure, she heard you.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Alright, my love. Have a nice day. Bye.
See you.
Your sister is a handful.
I know.
Woo, still kicking.
I know.
Well, I wonder what you're going to give birth to. A boxer.
I don't even want to know.
Okay.
I just want the baby to come sooner.
So, shall we head home?
Yes.
So, let me take you and her home. Shall we? Don't worry. Leave it. I'll take it.
Okay.
Let's go. Easy. 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 Shall we?
Okay.
I know how we used to be, but right now I can't explain what's going on. The love we shared together, loving each other, cherish and care for one another. Cause that's the promise you made to me on that day. Oh, but I can't explain what's going on.